Hi, YouTube.
So this is not a paid advertisement for Tiecrafters. This is the company I was talking about, Tiecrafters. But when I went to Hermes to try to get some ties clean, they said, "Hey, you should check out Tiecrafters." So they said they send all their stuff out now. They don't do it in house anymore. And so I sent about 12 ties out to get cleaned, and this is the result of the cleaning. So if you can see here, the quality is actually quite good. I mean, these ties look new and they come packaged when you pay for them. The cost of getting the ties done is anywhere from $14 to $18 per tie. But I mean, my ties look like brand new again, which I am, when I say I'm impressed, I am really impressed, because some of my ties, like I said, are close to 20 years old, and these ties really look brand new. And the thing with silk ties, especially high quality silk ties, you don't want to just take them to any old tie cleaning place, because the silk can be easily damaged, especially the way that Hermes does. They have the two types. You may find Hermes ties with the H's on it like this that are actually imprinted into the fabric. And then you have the dyed ties that have a pattern dyed onto the fabric, and you don't want this to bleed at all. So you want to make sure you take your ties to high quality places. Again, especially with high quality ties, you'll find either the material is imprinted or embossed into the fabric like this with the H's, or you'll find that it's printed on, which is the case of many ties, they're printed on. And that also accounts from when people say, well, why do ties cost so much? That also, the quality of the silk and the process for the way they do the ties when they're creating the print, that really accounts for the cost when you're paying for it. But anyway, so 3 ties that I had done. I mean, these are 4 ties here. 4 more ties. I'm gonna pull this out just so I can see. But again, totally like new. If you look at it, I mean, you would think that I purchased this tie just yesterday, but this tie I think probably is close to 20 years old. Some of these ties are newer. These again, Hermes ties. This is my St. Patrick's Day tie, which I love. It's from Vineyard Vines, which is kind of cool. You can tell this tie is not as expensive as some of the Hermes ties, but you can tell the quality of the silk, the softness of the silk is different. But anyway, we're not here to review ties. We can do that at a later date. We're here more so to talk about Tiecrafters. But I am really impressed with the job that they did. I mean, they, again, have returned my ties back to pristine condition. And I am quite impressed. I am quite impressed with the quality of the workmanship and the quality of the clean that they've done. The Ferragamo tie, again, the funny thing about Ferragamo ties probably cost about the same as Hermes ties. They have some funky patterns, which I like, which Hermes is kind of more straight-laced, but the quality of the silk is slightly different, and so I typically try to go with Hermes ties. But as you can see, the ties look a mess right now because I pulled them all out of the box, but they're actually, and I keep turning them sideways, I shouldn't do that, but the quality of the ties is quite nice. The quality of the clean of the ties is quite nice. So let's just close this video out. All in all, I was pretty impressed with the job that Tiecrafters did. The service is not cheap, but the quality is excellent. So this is your boy GB Reviews. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.